Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about why your GE refrigerator is not cooling. Let's get started. Reasons why your GE refrigerator is not cooling. Air obstruction. Sometimes you may have overcrowded the refrigerator or blocked the air vents while restocking it, leading to air obstruction, which stops your refrigerator from cooling. Loose or damaged door seal. The door seal is key to maintaining the refrigerator's temperature. However, it leaks cold air when loose or damaged, raising the refrigerator's temperature. Dirty condenser coils. Dust or dirt on the condenser interferes with the optimal heat dissipation, resulting in a warmer refrigerator. Malfunctioning compressor. A defective compressor prevents optimal refrigerant distribution across the condenser and evaporator coils, leading to a faulty refrigerator. Malfunctioning refrigerator fans. Defective evaporator and condenser fans interfere with the regular cooling operation of the refrigerator. Solutions to these issues are as follows. Handle the air obstruction. When restocking, follow these rules. Do not place food items or containers on or in front of the air vent. Give some space between the individual food items. Store food items like vegetables in crisper drawers. Replace the door gasket. Follow these steps. Move closer to the door gasket and feel any cold air leakage. If there is any leakage, visually inspect for damages. Where damages are visible, consider a replacement. Clean the gasket using warm water and a mild detergent if it is not worn out. Clean the condenser coil. Follow these steps. Switch off the power supply. Disconnect the refrigerator cable from the socket. Find the condenser coil at the back and clean it using a soft brush. Further, clean the coil using a vacuum cleaner. Reconnect the refrigerator to the power supply and test it. Replace the compressor. A malfunctioning compressor is associated with unusual noise, an extremely hot compressor, a circuit breaker that keeps tripping, and a refrigerator that is not cooling optimally. To replace it, follow these steps. Unplug the refrigerator. Locate the compressor at the back. Test its continuity using a multimeter. If it fails the test, call a professional to replace it. Replace the refrigerator fans. To do this, follow these steps. Turn off the power supply, disconnect the cable, disassemble the back panel, locate the evaporator and condenser fans and assess for any damages, dirt, or ice buildup. If the fans are not damaged, clean them. Otherwise, schedule a replacement with a professional. Thanks for watching.